Okay, we're gonna start with the salad. I know some people think it's maybe a little bizarre to put pineapple in a salad, but you definitely see a lot more fruit-forward salads, you know, watermelon salad, apple salads, things like that. So if you kind of make that connection, it's really not that bizarre.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it a little bit tart and sweeten it up slightly just to kind of help it be, you know, palatable as a savory aspect.
Great.
Okay? So right now we have just some pineapple. We're gonna start just by kind of peeling it, chop it up. Again, you're kind of looking for, you know, bite-sized pieces. As long as they're relatively the same size, we'll marinate evenly and all that good stuff.
This is so clever and
I
different.
know, this is so
You know, you
unique.
buy a pineapple and it gives you a whole boatload of pineapple.
Yeah.
When there's only so much plain pineapple that you can eat.
And so what are some of the vitamins that are present in pineapple?
The biggest one is going to be your vitamin C. And so vitamin C is certainly really helpful when we think in terms of infection prevention, helping our immune system. I don't think anybody can have enough vitamin C in their diet.